you're probably here because you want to get more clients to your hair salon. You want to a predictable way to blow up your hair salon, to get more clients, fulfill the appointment list. If you're here for that, you're in the right place. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get more people into your salon by a proven funnel that I used with one of my hair salon clients that managed to generate upwards of 100. I think the exact number was like 112 appointments in a month. So hopefully you get some value from this video. A little bit about myself. This is credibility, I guess some people call it. I have 8 local business clients. I have in many niches. One of them is a hair salon. One of them is a dentist, chiro, real estate agent. I'm a hoe, okay? I go around, okay? I have 2 e-commerce stores selling physical products. I also sell info products like courses and stuff, and I also do videos on YouTube like an idiot, as you or your friends might know. Okay, so you might be thinking, why are you pitching Facebook ads? So these are the main 5 reasons why you need Facebook ads, okay? You don't just want Facebook ads for your business, you need Facebook ads, okay? Well, without advertising or any predictable growth, your salon will I don't want to say die, but it's like it will either plateau or it will grow slightly, I guess. It's very hard to work on word of mouth. Okay, so why Facebook? It's number 1 year old. This is on Facebook. 91% of 18-year-olds are on Facebook. I think like 50% of like 60-year-olds are on Facebook. I'm not sure about that number. Number 2, Facebook ads are very cheap compared to like billboards or like fucking or television. Television is insanely expensive. Or magazines. Facebook ads are by far the best cost per acquisition by far. It's not even close. I forgot to put the chart in this. But there is a chart. If you Google it, you can easily find like this to be real. The targeting capabilities of Facebook are exceptional. Yeah, like you can easily, if you want to target the Prime Minister of the place you live, you can target the Prime Minister. That's how deep targeting can go. Okay, for example, with billboards, you have no targeting. Okay, like bums can appear at your salon. They'll be like, "Oh, I saw you on the billboard." With hair salon, you can target only, for example, like people who are like well off. So you know they will be like long-term clients. That's one tactic I use with some of my clients. Target people above like 100k a year. But you don't need to do that initially. But you can target people who are interested in like hair products. So obviously they're gonna be more likely to join. Okay, number 4, Facebook is effective to push on the fence leads down the funnel. Like if somebody already reacted to your brand or interacted with your brand, you can easily you can easily remind them of your business again, if that makes sense. And there is a thing called retargeting, is that you can, like with this, you can target people who only have already like engaged with your page, if that makes sense. Like if someone has been on your page, you can target only them. Okay, you tell them, "Hey John, you forgot about us, come back." You can easily do that. Maybe in like a more professional approach. Okay, but you get what I mean. Anyways, number 5, Facebook allows you to find new qualified leads easily. As I said, targeting is insane. Okay, you can target people, let me show you, where is it? You can target people based on like, as you can see here, people around you. Okay, you're not gonna target the globe. You're gonna target people around you who are interested in their hair. Okay, so examples over here, as you can see, I got 20 cents per lead from my hair salon business. As you can see over here, you can see, for example, like the Facebook audience network. I did, this was only Facebook. Okay, and down here you can see the demographics. You can see the age, the gender. These are men, these are women. Yeah, mostly it was men, because it was like a 20% off haircut. Obviously, and this is called the value ladder. Okay, you have to understand, like if you give a 20% off initially, that's you might be losing slight profits initially, but in the long run you're gonna make the money back. Okay, like would you throw away $10 if you can make $100? You know what I mean? Like eventually, like if you're a good hairdresser, or like if they like your service, which I assume you're, you know, reasonable at your job or the service, okay? I assume you're good, okay? Eventually they're gonna buy products, okay? When the products end, when the like whole hair pomade or whatever ends, they're gonna come back and buy it again. Okay, after like their hair grows, they're gonna come back for another haircut. They like your service, they're gonna keep coming to you. Okay, they're not gonna switch service if they like your service. Okay, these are examples of ads. As you can see, this on the left. This is shows a testimonial. This is good for retargeting, as I mentioned, people who already interacted with your brand. You're like, oh wow, yeah, I love this hair salon. Look at them, they're so perfect, and it's good. This is like a cute offer for mom's day or whatever, mom's day, women's day. I'm sorry. So this is the landing page. Okay, you can put like a picture of your salon, hopefully in a happy mood, or like or just a picture of your salon anyways, and then you type, hey, Malta's where I live, so hey somewhere, hey wherever you live, we're doing something crazy to promote our clinic, blah blah blah, we're giving away 25% off. I would recommend 25% at least. Okay, 25 up to 50. If you want to give a free haircut, that your business is gonna blow up, but you might go in the red initially. 2 testimonials. If you have no testimonials, just throw them off, okay? And the button. After they click the button, you ask them for an email and the telephone. These are very important, okay? Because you're gonna keep sending them emails automatically, and you're gonna send them messages automatically, okay? And then like a simple thank you page after the pop-up, tell them, hey, if you call, we'll give you like an extra 10% off or something, I don't know. Or to secure their offer, they have to call, okay? And a picture of your face or like of your hair or or something. I like faces more because it builds rapport with the customer, but anyways. Email list, as I said, when they give you the email, you can put them on an email list very easily. You can send them reminders and send them promotional emails as well of like some new product that came out. You can also segment emails for like female and male. So for example, for like men, you send like men products, and women, women products. You're not gonna send men women products, right? And retargeting, as I mentioned, when someone lands on your site, now I'm gonna show you this, okay? When someone lands on your site, you can target specifically them. And like, imagine someone doesn't land on the thank you page, okay? If someone does not land on the thank you page, you know they did not take they did not take the offer, okay? So you tell them, hey, nuts, you forgot the voucher, and those people are obviously more likely to take the offer because they are already engaged with your website. That makes sense to you, right? Yeah. So you can, and this is actually so insane because like it also shows that you actually show interest in like what you're giving, and you show that you have like confidence in your service, that you follow your customers, and it also generates really good ROI. Apart from that, you can target people who have actually landed on the thank you page. And people who ended up on your thank you page are obviously interested and care about their hair, okay? So you can send them offers like with a higher price point, like send them product offers. You can send them like normal priced hair offers, okay? So I'm actually gonna give you this funnel for free, this complete funnel with the landing page, with the pop-up, with the thank you page. This is completely free, okay? And since you watched this video till the end, I'm gonna give you a free domain and a free funnel. And also 2-week free trial with this is like an affiliate link, okay? So I'm obviously gonna make money. If you don't want me to make money if for some reason, you don't get the funnel, I guess, which is unfortunate. But I'm actually gonna show you the funnel over here. Boom. As you can see, the funnel is very simple. You can easily drag and drop, and this is like completely free, by the way, to try this out. You can drag and drop. You can easily like change color. You can make it black or something. You can change the background image. You just click background and images, upload the image up here, make this as sorry for staring, but you can like remove these testimonials if you don't have any. You can just delete one, delete the other, delete the whole column like this. Okay, it's very simple. You can like on submit. After they submit, you put the like thank you page over here, and the thank you page is obviously, what did I save? Fuck. The thank you page over here. All you have to do is copy this link and put it on the submit thingy. I think the page, same thing, you can edit easily. All you have to do is like just fucking drag or like change text is easy, okay? You can also change the typography over here. I used to pay 5,000 a month to be able to do this, okay? And ClickFunnels are giving all of this away for just 100 a month. Fuck. It makes me like I wasted so much money, but it's fine. I mean, it's progression, right? It makes sense. But anyways, if you want this funnel, it's completely free down below. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you got some value from this. Like, even if you don't use this funnel, hopefully you understand that like Facebook ads are the best approach to marketing current in 2018. Period. There's no better alternative. If you after this video, if you go pay for television ads or billboards, just don't. Just use Facebook ads. They're way cheaper, way better targeting, superior by far. But anyways, get the funnel down below. I'll try fixing. I'm actually gonna change the image back. I don't want you to get scared with my face in the background. I'm actually, oh god dang it, dude. I'll change the. Anyways, get the funnel down below. Thank you for watching. See you later. Hope. But to your success, to your hair salon is gonna explode after this video. This video will take your salon from the like your current state to a way better profitable state. Okay. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Peace.